Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and when it is summertime, I am like a 6-year-old when it comes to ice cream. I want it pretty much every day. So now I can make my very own with this Cocinare KRUSH ice cream maker. I think this ice cream maker is so unique because of the fact that it does not need to be plugged into the wall. I like to keep the freezer bowl stored in the freezer at all times so that it's always ready for when I want to make my own custom-made ice cream treat. I've had a lot of fun trying out a few flavors. I haven't gotten super adventurous yet, but I tried out making vanilla, Dutch chocolate, and coffee flavored ice creams. I went by the recommendations that come with the ice cream maker, and that is to blend all the ingredients in a blender first. I found that this technique made the ice cream turn out really well. I just pour the ice cream mixture up to the max line inside the freezer bowl, and then connect and lock in the top motorized piece with the paddle attachment. A neat little feature to this ice cream maker is the fact that it has these little windows so you can watch everything that's going on inside the ice cream maker. In my opinion, this is really nice because I can also see when the ice cream is churned enough to my liking. It makes the perfect amount for a generous size personal portion, or if you want to share with somebody else. Something that is really cool, pardon the pun, about the freezer bowl is that because it is frozen, I can take the bowl outside even on a really hot and sunny day, and my ice cream will stay cold and not melt too quickly. Any flavor of ice cream at all that pops into my head now is totally at my fingertips thanks to this Cocinare ice cream maker. And that's my point of view.